burnt. I have contact.
Xander.
Oh, come here, Tanner. I don't know if you're gonna like this. Here, you can do it with us. Huh? Says you will get wet. Serious wet. Your teeth. There you go.
The forces of nature are always in motion. As clouds grow, they become charged with electricity. Massive thunderclouds must return this energy to the ground. Lightning strikes the earth 100 times every second. Every year, lightning sparks an estimated 10,000 wildfires. Human beings cause thousands more. In the Midwest, warm ocean air from the tropics combines with cool air from the Great Plains. This interaction can bring the planet's most violent storms right down to the ground. Deep underground, the Earth's core melts rock into magma. Pressure builds, pushing the liquid fire to the surface.
The storm now is a Category 3 hurricane with maximum.
Over the oceans, evaporating water feeds swirling tropical storms. As winds increase, a hurricane is born. When it reaches the shoreline, winds can exceed 200 miles per hour. The surface of our planet is just a thin patchwork of constantly moving rocky plates floating atop the liquid mantle below. Most of the time we don't even notice, but a sudden movement can cause us to run for cover. Here in Arizona, the forces of nature are no less evident. Every summer, huge supercells push great sandstorms before them, engulfing everything in their path. Monsoon rains fall, drenching the land with flash floods. The collapsing storm creates a microburst, driving wind and rain in every direction. As the storms recede and the rumbling earth grows calm, we are left to ponder the mystery and wonder of these awesome forces of nature.